What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today, we open up boxes. Alright guys, so today what we have is a component that is going to connect to the last install that you saw me do. So, if you did see that last install, I'll link it up. And that was the upgraded side mount intercooler. And if you notice, I hadn't removed the pancake pipe. So what this is going to be that component that removes the pancake pipe. There you have it. High flow charge tube going into the side mount intercooler. And it also comes with its own coupler, silicone coupler. This is a 4-ply silicone coupler with a T-clamp, so to lock it down good and tight. So just in case you're wondering why you may need this, because the pancake pipe already has a rubber hose that connects to it, that this is going to be replacing to have a tighter fit. So this is going to be a back end that bolts up further in the rear portion of the engine bay, and then this bad boy is going to sit right up on top and connect to your intercooler. Alright, so this was a quick one, not a whole lot going on, just wanted to show you this, and we're going to be getting much better airflow going forward with this versus the pancake pipe. Wrench Daily.